was off at 5 a.m. I opened my eyes and counted 10. We're going fishing, my dad and me. We'll catch some fish for Mum to see. A fishing rod, just my size. Lots of hooks and lots of flies. Lunch in a box, worms in a can. That's what I need to be a fisherman. A fish for you, a fish for me. We'll take some fish home for tea. We're going fishing, my dad and me. Sun comes up on the lake. All the birds are now awake. With worms on hooks we wait and see. We'll have to sit here patiently. It's so peaceful in our boat. There's nothing better than being afloat. I listen to the happy sound of the water lapping round. A fish for you, a fish for me. We'll take some fish home for tea. We're going fishing, my dad and me. A fish for you, a fish for me. We'll take some fish home for tea. We're going fishing, my dad and me. We're going fishing, my dad and me.